this video, we're going to take a look at how to run a payment on your 360 Payments integrated terminal within ARI. Start on the job card that has a balance due and click on More followed by Customer Payment. To add a new payment, click on the plus symbol, and for payment method, choose Card. You can charge the full amount or enter a lesser amount for a partial payment like a deposit. Click Run on POS Terminal and select the terminal you wish to run it on. Your terminal will light up and you'll simply follow the instructions. Once the payment is complete, it'll come back and record in ARI. Once you see the success message, go ahead and click Close and you can see a record of your payment here. To get a receipt for the payment, click on Open, and here you'll see your receipt. You can print it by clicking the Print button. And that's how you run a sale with 360 Payments in ARI.